Raquel.
Raquel.
Thank you.
Please say, pronounce your name, please.
Godlove Kembo.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hello, school board. My name is Godlove Kembo, and I am an IB senior at Vandal Lakes High School. I know that the only reason this meeting is being held is because you, as our representatives, have an ethical obligation to listen to the complaints and grievances of the people, in which you have affected with the action of this new legislation passed by our government. But I, as an individual, have an ethical obligation to stand up for a community who is being subjected to discrimination and not being provided with proper care or respect. So let me give you the facts. Within 2017, a study was conducted by the Florida Health Organization, in which they surveyed high school students of their status of mental health, as well as their overall acceptance within a high school setting. Within that time, 58% of the LGBT community felt sad or hopeless, 40% seriously considered suicide, 32% made a plan towards suicide, and 23% actually attempted suicide. As you hear me talk about the data, how does that make you feel? How does it make you feel that LGBTQ individuals are 4 times more likely to commit suicide than their peers? As the district acts on this new legislation, with the removal of safe space stickers and other unwarranted acts, you are sending a message to us students that you could care less about our well-being. You must put yourself in the shoes of the students. With this so-called Parent Bill of Rights being passed, I hear no talk of the rights and freedoms of students. When will we as students have our own rights? When will we start to feel safe in an environment where most of our development occurs? When will this district be able to tell students of all sexualities, of all income levels, and of all skin colors that you truly have our backs? For my final statement, I leave you with this. There is nothing worth more than the life of a student. Stop enacting legislation which takes away so much of our fundamental rights. Thank you.